Ojara Martin Mapenduzi, Sister Lamono, my Sacred Heart. Akena door to door. Adonio Felix. Adonio. Akena door to door. Ojara Martin Mapenduzi. Boyka. Sister Lamono, Boyka. Mapenduzi. Amironi Uwinya Mabe. Machala Acholi sub-region. Machalo Acholi sub-region. Wanatika demanding justice for Acholi. Justice for Bosmik. Justice for Acholi. Justice for Gulu City, Badegela Ibi. Sister Lamono, ma era ye loyal Sacred Heart. Me chocolotino kwan, enero chalotino kwan, ene ke paogi, gutier gurie, ni mono jara uno kui. Lutino kwan me Sacred Heart. Ma bene lutino kwan gingeyu. Ni fellow students ma megi kichohogi kichwalogi ni guchirie ingeujara Mapenduzi. Lutino Sacred Heart ma twin gilen gingeyu wanying lutino ma kichohogi kichwalogi kabolu kuiki ujara Mapenduzi karie ingeye. Team Iyepa councillors, the DPC Ngeyu, police Ngeyu on notice, police Ngeyu on record, need the same students. My name is Sister Lamono Ellen, Sister Lamono Ellen, my Sacred Heart. Actually, umirukwiri completely, with immediate effect, dismissing in ki Sacred Heart, may involving our innocent sisters and daughters of this land into a very serious crime politically. Sister Lamono, make your Colotino Sacred Heart, make your career pi Mapenduzi. Team do Buchoro, today is the 21st. Niendo Piariwa Mwen, Meduma Biro 2025. Sister Lamono Ellen, make your Colotina near a Sacred Heart. Keep my near Chao Chogi to Alogika Gueto Kuiki Mapenduzi. Karieni Mapenduzi. Kakwando Kuipa Chuli. Imla Yodomatic Latini Sacred Heart. Omiru iri pe namba chien me Dr. Sister Lamono ke chwale nyim disciplinary. Sister Lamono must be dismissed from Sacred Heart. Malupe ke tim charo pa Sister Lamono Ellen me chwale lutira nyira Sacred Heart career ikuipa Mapenduzi career equipa councillors machalo akera door to door gem kingangi achuli kogoma waroti ye kombiri kogoma waroti ye pama wati ye ton twin ma wati ye ni ujara Mapenduzi gu conniving ki Sister Lamono me Sacred Heart me nyuara chuli la nya chuli Lamono mirkiriem mo doga chuli mirbuchi atwe Sacred Heart ka water Lamono ki office bayone matwala pe wa mero Lamono ujara uno atamoni machalo la party member la wuri uno atamoni awuri uno atamoni awo party but team yondoge ye the same thing ma ini team enero ye me achie dwane kwedi yendok me ye ni kichwani motoka me choko lutino kwan me biro karie iko councillors mamigi chalo door to door kumrigiti ka kwere ni gilo yokui kon sister la mono Ellen ka chel ki in Mapinduzi muna yo organizing the same way kita munu biro unywar ke ana ne no chane utika nywar wa councillors so utika nywar actually must act with immediate effect. Sister Lamono must be dismissed for involving our innocent daughters and sisters into politics. This is an abomination. Even the police have evidence. Even the voters themselves have evidence. The candidates have evidence. Wahol kitimio pewa mero na nuwido bachuli luwe acham mwinya ka achel ke bloggers acham mwinya singers ka achel ke acham mwinya politicians acham mwinya bouncers when wamiro chalgi ngatumo marie ubiru rie chalpa joni ngataria ubiru rie chalpa joni wen kama len ke kero jare diere ke Mapinduzi diere kage rie acham munya singers ngegi kage rie acham munya bloggers kage rie acham munya bouncers acham munya MCs chalo MC Cash chalo MC Young Money acham munya MCs Cash Young Money acham munya bouncers chalo jino ginga ngagi wen kono jino kono KD Kristo kono KD nga wen ke rap nyingi acham munya singers chalo Sheripigi chalo Lucky David gi wen achuli peu yego yeru ya bamka mo achuli peu yego bin ka webora achuli pian John ni kuchara achuli period peu miru